Makaas Boardwalk is a 500 meters bamboo walkway located in Barangay Makaas, Tubigon, Bohol. It is a scenic ecotourism attraction surrounded by lush mangroves forest, offering visitors a peaceful and relaxing experience with stunning coastal views.
Sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang kaya ko. Bigang-bigan sa mga
features and attractions. Mangrove Forest. The boardwalk is built amid thriving mangroves which serve as a natural habitat for marine life and help protect the coastline. Sunset views. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking sunset over the sea, making it a great spot for photography and relaxations. Minas or shellfish gather. During low tide, local and tourists and collect shellfish, a traditional activity in the area. Cottage for rent. Small cottages are available for 200 pesos, providing a comfortable space for a visitor to relax. Affordable entrance fee. The boardwalk charges a minimal fee for 10 pesos persons, making it an accessible. Makaas Boardwalk is an ideal destination for nature lovers, family, and tourists looking for a peaceful escapes while supporting local ecotourism efforts. It is also a great place to appreciate Bohol natural beauty and enjoy a refreshing break from the busy city life.